Hello friend, welcome to my channel Knowledge of IoTX.
Hello friends, welcome back to my another video. Today I will show you how to create a new layer and how to manage it. So let's begin the class. Do you know what is layer? For creating a new file, go to File and click on the New menu. Now, set on the file name. Then set width and height. Must be selection the pixel option. So width is 800 pixel and height in 400 pixel and resolution on 50 pixel per inch. So you can use 150, 100 and 300 etc. Then save. You can use this template after your project done. You can use anytime for using this template, so you can save it. So friends, new file is done. First of all, double click on the background layer and unlock this layer file. Today our session is layer discussion, so create a new layer and select the marquee selection, then drag and draw the rectangle. Okay, then we select the paint bucket tool and choose a color, then pick on the rectangle. Now press Ctrl D for deselection. Now follow to the another rectangle mark. Now double click on the layer text and rename. Okay, wall set is done. Actually, if you want to change any design after your creation, then every time you choose a single and separate layer for your advantage. Because of when you create a single layer, you can change it, you can modification, you can delete everything. So I suggest you every time you create a single layer. Now we create a folder. You can create any folder in your project and import any layer in this folder. Drag and drop. Okay. Now we type any text in our project. every time check your layer position. Now save up this document, file, then save. Type your file name and must be saved in this Photoshop PSD format. So obviously select Photoshop PSD. Then anytime you can open it and change any layer. Otherwise you can't edit this file. Okay, save, then okay. Now save a image file, then save for web, JPG, save, desktop, file name, save. So okay, so let's check up this file. Check. JPG is a compressed file. You can't change it. Just show. And check PSD file. You can change anything. Double click and open it. Now check. Every layer have editable mode. You can change everything layer. Okay friend, so I think you clearly understand on this layer discussion. If you have any query, please comment on this video. Bye bye. See you again.